When you almost pounce on your delivery driver because you've got a new toy to play with, yes, it's the Our Place 6-in-1 Wonder Oven. I needed a new air fryer. Mine had just about, well, seen better days. So I chose this because it's got 6-in-1 functions as well as the air fryer. I mean, look, it's a thing of beauty. Lots of nice different colours to choose from as well. I chose the Our Place brand simply because I like the ethos of not having those toxic, nasty chemicals. Plus, everything you see here, all these racks, you do have to hand wash. But if you damage anything, you can get replacements. You have some nice chunky dials for temperature, and then this. This is great. I'm going to explain more in some future recipes, but it does the steam in it, 2 teaspoons, and you can bring food to life and keep things moist inside. So what are the functions? Well, it can air fry, bake, grill, reheat, roast, toast, and it preheats in less than 2.5 minutes. And it has a timer dial here which goes up to an hour. So a really handy gadget, plus you get lots of decent information of how to work it. Now you get a crumb tray that has to go underneath the bottom element, so you pop that in like so. And then you have this rack here, which can be used for toast and things. There's 2 levels, so it can go on level 1 and level 2. There's a choice on that one. Then you have the ceramic tray, which can go on level 2, or it can go on the bottom one on level 1. We're just going to leave that there because, yes, there's an air fry rack, and that is best placed at the top on level 2. That way the air can circulate around the food. So really simple gadget, really easy to use, and only 2.5 minutes to preheat. I can tell you there's going to be a lot of recipes on my site with this little gadget. I'm going to love it.